up enough to kind of do what I want to do. Do what I want to do. Well, I'm kind of committed anyway at this point to the fixing of that wire, seeing that I got it cut and one end is on and one end isn't right, so we are where we are. So now, let's see what I can do with this thing real quick. Let's get this off here and figure out where did the short happen. I don't know if it's the bulb or not. It looks like the bulb is shot. Yeah. Okay. It's the bulb. The bulb. The bulb. So, the screwdriver. Little Phillips. Oh, wait a minute. It's over here, I think. No, it's not. So where the hell did I put it? This is a big one. That's not going to work. I need my little, there, is that it? Is that it? That it? That's a little too small, but it may work. The glasses I have now, are like the older ones, so it's really hard for me to see anything with these glasses on. The other ones, yeah, the others, I fell asleep with them on, which I do all the time. And they came off apparently through the course of the night. Don't tell me this ain't gonna work now. Come on, don't do that to me. There's no reason why. So anyway, as I was saying, I fell asleep with my glasses on, and I woke up, they weren't on. So these were next to the computer, so I just threw these on real quick. Now I didn't do anything with these screws to lock them in. I don't know why. They don't want to come out. Well, I do have a plan, however. Snip. Snip. Now maybe. There we go. I knew it. I just knew I can do it. All right. A little corrosion apparently. May have to drill that out. How did that get corroded like that? And you ask yourself, how did that get corroded like that? There we go. Why ain't this one coming out? It should come right out. I can see you right there, for crying out loud, guys. Come on. I guess it's going to have to get drilled out. This is not plastic, by the way. Whatever it is, it doesn't want to let loose. That may get a pair of pliers. Always something, guys. Yeah, we know how it is. There. You know what? Put those in the box. Alright, let me get this out of here. This is all epoxied in, which I shouldn't have done it that way, but I did, thinking it was going to last forever. I didn't use epoxy. I used silicone. There we go. And this one is Oshato. Just so happens, just so happens, now if I remember right, this is not going to really fit there, but I think that's why I siliconed it, but let's see, maybe, Hey, you know what? Let me do it. Hold on a minute, guys. Right here. Now, ha ha. You like the way that just snapped right in there? We are good. We are. This is going to be useless. That's why I use silicone. Do I want to use any more silicone? Maybe just a little bit. Yeah, I'm getting a lot of little things done throughout the course of the last few days. Whoop! Put that on the floor. But I want a flat. I want a flat ice cream stick. That'll work. See, I have tons of them over here. Yeah, I wipe my hand on my pants, seeing I have tons of shit all over them already. Now I want to make sure this is all nice and straight.